particular customer has some very sensitive equipment along the wall, and it's also an access point for employees coming in and out of different areas of the production facility. We leave 3-foot and 4-foot openings, areas where the employees can come in and out, yet still stay safe from moving equipment such as forklifts and other machinery. The beauty of this guardrail, it has lift out pockets, so these rails can come in and out as needed when the maintenance guys need to access this area.